Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel. Viewers, in today's video I am gonna share with you a beautiful sequins and beads embroidery design for silk kurtis. This embroidery design will add the touch of elegance and sophistication to your outfits. Hope you guys will like this design. Let's start the design. First, I will make the hemline border design by attaching the sequins in 3 numbers and placing them side by side and stitch them closely in a shape of small flower or a bunch. I kept the distance of ½ inch between the sequins bunches, but you can attach the sequins bunches at the distance of 1 inch. By using the same pattern, I will make 4 to 5 lines of the sequins bunch, but you can make more or less lines according to your choice. I completed the whole hemline border design in the same pattern as shown here. So here is the look of hemline design. It's so beautiful and elegant, adds extra charm to your outfit. Now I will make a bunch with the sequins and beads following this pattern. First we apply a little amount of the fabric glue and then we will attach the sequences. We attach the sequences by placing them side by side in a row. I will attach the sequins along the boundary line of this pattern and then we will fill the center area. By this, the sequins are attached homogeneously and cover the entire area of the pattern easily. So viewers, as long as I complete the pasting of sequins, if you are first time on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you can get the notification of my all new videos. And please don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. So here I continue to pasting the sequences along the boundary lines of the pattern as shown here. Then we will cover the center area. On the same pattern, I will attach the sequences on the other parts of the pattern too. So viewers, it is very easy design for the silk dresses. You can make this dazzling design on your Eid outfits. It adds extra charm to your dresses and looks. It can be a best dress for the festive gathering or the elegant evenings. I hope this idea can help you to gear up for creating the best outfit at home on your own without expending much money. This innovative and trendy pattern breathes life into your traditional attire and elevate your outfits to the whole new level, and that will make your outfits stand out in any crowd. So here I attach the sequences on the pattern. In the same way I will attach the sequence on the other part of the pattern. So here is the final look of the pattern. It's so beautiful and amazing. So finally I attach the sequence on the whole pattern, and here is the pattern looking like so stunning and shiny. Now I will stitch the sequences to fix them well so that they can't be detached after washing. For the purpose I will use the zari thread. The simple stitching thread can be used, but here I will use the zari thread to fix the sequences. Now I will attach the cut beads to fill the spaces between the sequences on the whole pattern, so that the whole pattern will be covered completely, and cut beads add more shine and glitter to the pattern. Viewers, here must be noted that the cut beads and the sequins are of the same color. Dual color combination can be used in this design. This design is so easy that even the beginners can create this design. For now, I almost filled all the gaps between the sequences by attaching the cut beads. Finally, it is looking very eye-catchy and glittery. Here I will add little more detail to this design. So I will make a string of the beads to attach around the pattern as shown here. After attaching the string, I will fix the string by taking the small stitch. We will use the stitching thread for taking the stitches on the string. The stitches will be taken so closely that it will fix the string well. So the whole design will be completed in the same pattern. So here it is looking like this. Finally the bunch is ready, and here is the final look of the pattern, looking so shiny and glittery. Similar bunches are also created on the front of the shirt. So this is what the whole pattern looks like. So luminous and sparkle. This intricate embroidery design is an excellent mix of sequins and beads, easy to design and good for the beginners, and of course perfect for the festive occasion. So here is the final look of the design, so beautiful and stunning. The sequences are also attached around the neckline along with the bead strings, making the design unforgettable. The style and the shine really adds magic to the special moment. Keep watching my channel for more videos on fashion and style. Thanks for watching.